Finally, it's been days we were talking about the Galaxy S23 Ultra design, and now we get the official look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra along with the S23 and S23 Plus. As we're getting closer to the launch of S23 Ultra, we get the official posters of Galaxy S23 Ultra along with the change in the back camera lens, which is different than the S22 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. 91 Mobile shares these posters of Galaxy S23 Ultra design along with the previous generation Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Watch 5, where we see both S23 Plus and S23 Ultra in their signature colors. For S23 Plus, we get the pink/gold color, whereas S23 Ultra, which will come with the green as its signature color. S23 Plus back design is quite similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as Samsung is no longer using the same design just like the Galaxy S22 or S21. And if you look at the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we see quite similar design just like the S22 Ultra, but if you look at the details, there are some minor changes that we see on the S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, which color do you want in the S23 Ultra or S23 Plus? Now that you have seen the poster on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, here's the more details regarding the back of the S23 Ultra. While looking at the back camera, according to exynos, there is a slightly change in camera lenses, where S23 Ultra laser autofocus is changed from red to black. On S22 Ultra, we see the red color, but for now, it is not confirmed what kind of changes we can expect from this, although the back lenses on the S23 Ultra are slightly bigger than the S22 Ultra, but with less thickness, meaning your S23 Ultra will not wobble if you use it on the table. Other than lenses, the back design of S23 Ultra is exactly the same as S22 Ultra. You guys might be shocked to know that S23 Ultra is going to come with 1750 nits peak brightness. Yes, same as this year. But S23 Plus is getting an update, and with that update, both phones shares the same brightness level, 1750 nits. But as per previous rumors, S23 Ultra will going to come with LTPO 3.0 technology, which will have a peak brightness of 2200 nits, 200 more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Not only that, the new technology is also coming with 45% more power efficient, but it seems like Samsung dropped the idea of using a new technology and go with the same tech as S22 Ultra. For those who don't know, S23 Ultra will going to launch on the 1st of Feb 2023, and phones will hit the market after a week or so with the great PR deals. If you guys want to see the detailed leaked images of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.